news in town. It's black. It's full of power. And it's wild. Get the power! Introducing one of the first zero form energy drink. Wildcat.